What does your future look like? Are you looking for a Keystone Outback Ultralite? Let's go. This is a Keystone Outback Ultralite. It's from 2023, and I'm going to give you a quick tour. So here we are inside the camper. What I really like about this camper is it's very spacious. Now, I'm almost 5'11", and I mean, you've really got a lot of space in here. So you've got a propane stove, a propane oven. It's got a lot of storage over here. There's storage on the other side, and it has an island. I mean, how many campers have you seen that have islands? Not many. This refrigerator freezer is actually the same size that you would get inside of a house, which is really rare because, I mean, you're camping. There's also a really nice big pantry. Here we've got a 50-inch TV with a stereo. Again, lots of storage. What's really cool about this sofa is it's not just a sofa, but it's a pull-out bed. So if you want to have company come over, if you've got the grandkids, your friends, whatever the situation, this pulls out to a bed. Again, there's storage. You've got lots of places with outlets. You've got the movie chairs. All right, so now that you've seen the main part of the camper, I'm going to show you the rest. Oh, hi, I didn't see you there. Come on in, check out this bathroom. It's awesome. It's a really clean, simple look. I really like that. The shower has 2 shower heads. There's obviously a toilet and a sink, and there's really good cabinet space. This is the bedroom. There's a wardrobe up above. And then you've got 2 spaces above there as well. And it's just a cute, cozy little space. So if you're interested in this Keystone Outback Ultralite, give my friend Anthony a call. His information's at the bottom of the screen, along with everything else you could possibly need to know. Start living and start camping.